Now we are going to see about the compound. Compound is a pure substance which formed due to the chemical combination of two or more elements in a fixed ratio. For example, water. Water consists of two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen. Hydrogen is in the gaseous state as well as the oxygen is also in the gaseous state. But when combined, these two gaseous forms an liquid that will be in an fixed ratio, two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen. In a volume, it will be in the ratio of 8:1. Classification of compounds. As elements, here the compounds is also in classification. One is organic compound, another one is inorganic compound. We know we are familiar nowadays, we are familiar with the organic compounds, such as the things which are obtained naturally is called as organic compounds. The things which are man-made is called as inorganic compounds. So here the inorganic compounds is the first topic for you. Compounds obtained from non-living sources such as rock, mineral are called as inorganic compound. Compound which are obtained from rock and minerals is called as inorganic compounds such as chalk, baking powder, etc. Here the organic compounds which are obtained from living sources such as plants and animals are called as organic compounds. Example, protein, carbohydrate, both inorganic and organic compounds exist in all three states such as solid, liquid and gases. Some important compounds in solid, liquid and gaseous are sand, silica, silicon and oxygen. Silica, sand, silicon and oxygen. It is combination of two elements. Potassium hydroxide, caustic potash. Sodium hydroxide, caustic soda. It is consist of three elements: sodium, oxygen and hydrogen. Potassium, hydrogen and oxygen. Copper sulfate, sulfur and oxygen. Zinc carbonate, calamine. This is the thing which we are using in our beauty product. Almost all face creams consist of calamine, that is the made up of zinc, carbon and oxygen, which is an compound. Exists in liquid state. Water, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid and acetic acid. The elements present in it is hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen chlorine, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So these are all the compounds which exist in liquid state. And in a gaseous state, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, methane, nitrogen dioxide, ammonia. In all, the dioxide will be consisting of oxygen plus that element, methane, carbon and hydrogen, ammonia, nitrogen and hydrogen. Common name for such compounds are given in that copper sulfate. Copper sulfate will be in a blue color, so blue vitriol. Ferrous sulfate will be in green color, so green vitriol. Potassium nitrate, salt, it will be in white color only. Saltpeter. Sulfuric acid, oil of vitriol. Calcium sulfate is called as gypsum. Calcium sulfate hemihydride is called as plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris used to make small statues like that. Potassium chloride, morite of potash. Gypsum, you are used in the preparation of cement. So here the uses of compounds. So many compounds are there in this table. Water, table salt, sugar, baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder, quicklime, slacked lime, limestone. Here the lime means not the lemon which we are using in a day-to-day life. Here lime means calcium, chunnambu, calcium oxide, calcium hydroxide and calcium carbonate is the chemical name on this. Water, dihydrogen monoxide, two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen. Table salt, normal salt which we are using for our day-to-day life, edible one, and food which we are using in food. Sodium chloride, sodium and chlorine. Sugar, sucrose. Sucrose consists of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen which we are using it for preparation of sweets. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, sodium, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. Sodium bicarbonate is used to preparation of baking powder, preparation of cake and bread, and it is important uses. It is used as a fire extinguisher. Washing soda, washing itself shows that it used for washing. Sodium carbonate, sodium, carbon and oxygen, cleaning agents such as soap and softening the hot water. Bleaching powder, it bleaches the water and sterilize, disinfectant of drinking water. Then quicklime, calcium and oxygen, manufacture of cement and glass. And slacked lime for whitewashing, calcium, oxygen and hydrogen. And limestone, calcium carbonate, calcium, carbon and oxygen, preparation of chalk pieces. Up to this, your lesson will be completed. Try to mark the question answers. Try to mark the question answers in this. If you understood, you can definitely write the question answers. Followed by, I'll be sending a video which has the answers. Being in an 8th standard, you must be able to mark the question answers. Thank you.